You're watching How Leap. Let's set the classic iPhone ringtone. The classic ringtone is called opening and is already on your phone. Open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap sounds and haptics. At the top of this menu, tap ringtone. You will see a list of all available ringtones. Scroll through the list and find the one named opening. Tap on opening to select it. A check mark will appear next to it. You will hear a preview. The classic opening ringtone is now set for all incoming calls. To set it for a specific contact, open the Contacts app, select the person, tap Edit, tap Ringtone, and choose Opening from the list. Tap Done to save. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.